Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds on Banjo dead rails. First, let's grasp the core concept. This isn't your typical game. It demands precision and a keen eye for detail. We'll explore the unique physics of the dead rails and how they influence your trajectory. Think of it as a rhythmic puzzle where every move counts. Get ready to refine your aim and master the art of strategic launches, ensuring every bird hits its mark with maximum impact. Now, let's dive into perfecting your launch. Achieving success on Banjo dead rails requires more than just brute force. It's about finesse. Experiment with subtle adjustments to your launch angle and power. Remember, the dead rails can be both an obstacle and an aid, so learn to use their unique properties. A well-placed shot can create a chain reaction, clearing multiple targets with a single, elegant move. Practice makes perfect here, so don't be afraid to try different approaches. Next, we'll tackle those tricky obstacles. The dead rails environment is full of challenges designed to test your strategic thinking. Look for weak points in structures. Sometimes, a seemingly small hit can bring down an entire section. Prioritize your targets to create the most efficient path to victory. Remember, flexibility is key. If your initial plan isn't working, don't hesitate to adjust. Every obstacle presents an opportunity for a clever solution. Finally, let's talk about advanced tactics and achieving those impressive high scores. Beyond just clearing levels, there are often hidden bonuses and multiplier opportunities waiting to be discovered. Learn to anticipate these and incorporate them into your strategy. Mastering the more complex, multi-stage levels will require a deep understanding of all the mechanics we've discussed. With practice and a keen eye, you'll consistently achieve top scores and conquer even the most challenging dead rail scenarios.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.